The white bird rests on the southern bough, folding its wings to embrace a dream. Still he stands, the lonely shadow, pacing slowly beneath the tree, untouched by dust, eclipsing all other color. Say not that soulmates are hard to find. The rustling wind, the insects chime in harmony, the chirping loneliness I understand. The chirping